Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade Trello for better task organization, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Trello account. Navigate to the board you want to upgrade for better task organization. Familiarize yourself with the current setup of your lists and cards. Identify any pain points or areas that need improvement. Start by creating a clear structure for your lists. Consider using list names that reflect different stages of your workflow. For example, you might have lists for to do, in progress, and done. Next, think about how to categorize your tasks. Utilize Trello's labels feature to color code your cards. Assign labels based on priority, project type, or team member responsibility. Now, let's focus on cards themselves. Add detailed descriptions to your cards to provide context. Use checklists within cards for detailed task management. This will help you break large tasks into manageable steps. Next, set due dates for your cards to keep everything on track. This will allow you to prioritize tasks based on deadlines. Consider using Trello's Power UPS for added functionality. Explore options like calendar or due date for enhanced visibility. Integrate Trello with other tools you use, such as Google Drive or Slack. This will streamline your workflow even further. Once all the above is set, make sure to review your boards regularly. Weekly reviews will help you assess priorities and adjust as needed. Encourage your team to engage with the boards consistently. Communication is key to maintaining organization. As your workflow evolves, be flexible in adjusting your lists and cards. Experiment with different structures until you find what works best for you. Finally, share your upgraded board setup with your team for feedback. Incorporate their suggestions to enhance collaboration. With these steps, you'll be able to upgrade Trello for better task organization effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.